Hi guys, today we are making an orange cake. So we need 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, just 3/4 cup. We don't want the cake to be too sweet, so 3/4 cup will do of granulated sugar. And we also have approximately a 3/4 cup of butter. So we are going to have 3/4 cups of butter, and this is approximately 3/4 cups of butter. So we have this butter, it's approximately 3/4 cups of butter. That's our small cup. Two teaspoons of baking powder. Orange zest. Using a toothpick. Zest we collected quite considerable from one orange. So the egg goes in. Add a bit of milk. Goes the orange zest. So we just give a mix, the orange zest and the dough. Then the tray has been already been greased. So that's our dough. Waiting for the oven. That's our dough. Now going into the oven. The dough goes into the oven. Then we await the result. Tray goes into the oven. There goes our orange zest cake. That's our orange zest cake. It's cooling down now. Then we will enjoy this cake. The orange cake is cool. It's cooled down. That's the orange cake. There it is. Then we can give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Let's grab a piece. It is so delicious. It is really delicious.